a huge number of Premier League football shirts sold each year. That's a vast amount of numbers and names that need to be printed. But where do these numbers and names come from?
The western part of Norway is shaped out of the last ice age. People who have lived here for hundreds of years have adapted to the nature and not made nature adapt to them.
Avery Dennison was born out of innovation and technology. It really drives everything that we do.
In total, we expect to produce between 15 and 20 million pieces, meaning a letter, a number, or a name block for the Premier League next year.
One of Avery Dennison's core values is sustainability. By 2025, we're anticipating that over 70% of our revenue will be coming from sustainable products and solutions.
One of the best examples might be our process for cooling down the building. Most sites would then use an air conditioning unit. What we will use is the water from the glacier. We utilize that temperature difference to create energy.
One technology that we're going to be deploying with the Premier League is something that we call the smart number. Using your camera feature on your phone, there is a digital signature that will automatically read it, and it'll send you to a website where it'll have information that is customized for you.
Throughout the process, we're hugely impressed with Avery Dennison. They're clearly a company with a track record of innovation, and we're really looking forward to working with them over the next 3 years.
It's going to be incredible to see your product on the pitch. It gives another dimension to day-to-day life that you can produce the names and numbers for your heroes.